Hi, today I will talk about the best service in the top Freelancer Sites category. I have been making over $15,000 a month using this site and have been using it for 7 years now. It is a very versatile and very effective assistant. In this short video, I will reveal to you 5 very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the top Freelancer Sites category. I will leave a link to the official website under this video. Let's not waste time and get started.
To make money on Fiverr.com, you need to offer a service. Designers, marketers, copywriters, musicians, programmers, animators, etc. will find work here. To start making money, you need to create a gig. In essence, this is an advertisement for your service. When creating an offer, keep in mind that the site is aimed at English-speaking users. Therefore, it is necessary to create an advertisement in English. The service offer is called a gig website. You can create up to 20 sentences in total. To promote your service, you can add a video describing your work. Such ads are in great demand and get into a special section, increasing chances of finding a customer. To start making money on the Fiverr service, you need to go through a simple registration. You can register in the system using your Facebook or Google accounts. Also, users are given the opportunity to register by entering email. After registering an account, you must familiarize yourself with the rules of the service, which will help you understand the first steps of making money on Fiverr. Next, you have to create your seller profile. In the profile, you must describe your services, show your specialization, and add a photo. After that, you need to create a unique offer and publish it. From this moment on, your path to making money on the Fiverr service begins. Once published, you will receive notification from customers interested in your services, and only you decide which customer to work with. When creating a profile, please note that the service reserves the right to request confirmation of identity. This is to keep the community safe. All data stored in the system is reliably protected and under no circumstances can fall into the hands of third parties. After creating a profile, you will have access to your personal account. This is where you can track responses to your ad, take orders, create your own services, control financial receipts, withdraw funds, and invite friends. Fiverr's personal account is distinguished by its concise and simple design. To open the required tab, just click on your profile photo and you will see a menu of your personal account. The freelance exchange Fiverr has unlimited work opportunities. Here you can find services in the fields of graphic and design, digital marketing, word processing, video, music and audio, programming, business services, and online games training. All work on Fiverr is done remotely. This is what allows customers and performers from around the world to meet here. If you design to earn copywriting on Fiverr.com, you need to specify the writing and translation service in your profile. In this category, you can create services for writing and translating any text, proofreading and editing, creating a resume, drafting legal letters, etc. To get more responses to your ads, try to make them as clear as possible. When composing an ad, immediately indicate the number of words or characters, as well as the language of writing the article or other text. Today, hundreds of copywriters find jobs on the Fiverr site every day, writing text for customers from all over the world. Affiliates will also find work on the Fiverr website. Here you can offer your services to attract traffic from your own website or from social networks. To create a service, you must select the digital marketing category and the web traffic subcategory. It is here that advertisements about attracting traffic from various sources to the customer's website are published. Fiverr offers dozens of services under the Programming and Tech heading. If you are a programmer and can offer services such as website development, game development, web programming, e-commerce development, cybersecurity, mobile application development, file conversion, etc., you can safely offer your services on Fiverr. Before submitting your ad, familiarize yourself with the services offered and select for yourself a category in which you are a real professional. When registering on Fiverr.com, there is no need to pay registration fees or subscriptions. You can start working without personal investment. Starting price on Fiverr is $5. The maximum order price cannot exceed $1,000. Upon receipt of payment from the customer, you must pay the service a commission of 20% of the order value. This commission is automatically deducted and your net profit remains in your account. If you want to make big money on Fiverr, you need to offer your customers a competitive edge. All you need is to create an attractive offer and offer customers a choice between tariff plans. When making an offer, it should be noted that the most popular on the site are services that are performed within 24 hours. These are small jobs that will take you 10 to 15 minutes of time and you can complete several such orders during the day. As practice shows, when ordering a minimum service, customers most often return to the contractor to order more expensive services. The Fiverr service offers its users additional features that will not only simplify their work on the service, but also help them gain new knowledge. Finding a contractor is a free additional service for customers. If you do not have the ability to track all the services offered, you just need to indicate which service you need and set the time for completion of the work and state your budget. After that, you will receive all relevant offers to your mailbox. On Fiverr, you can find tutorials on design, digital marketing, SEO, and more. There are both free and paid courses. The minimum cost of a paid course is $19. Billing and accounting management software. The standard tariff is free and the pro tariff is $18 per month. The software's capabilities allow you to issue invoices, get paid, track expenses and income, connect your bank account, receive reports, etc. Payment for work on the Fiverr website is carried out only within the system. You cannot receive payment directly from the buyer because the service charges a commission of 20% of the work cost. To receive payment, you must complete the order and send it to the customer. If the buyer is satisfied with the quality of the work, he will transfer funds to your Fiverr account. Payment for work in your Fiverr account is instant. The service fully regulates payments for work performed. Payment is made from the customer's personal account to the contractor's account in the personal account. Upon receipt of payment, the service deducts 20% from each payment. Withdrawals of funds is available in 14 days from the date of receipt of funds. Fiverr regularly runs promotions and gives bonuses to its users. All current events can be found on the events page. Here you can sign up for seminars, get expert advice, learn how to develop your business and much more. For active users, the Fiverr service allows you to earn extra money by inviting friends. The Fiverr service invites investors who can make a serious return on their investment in Fiverr. By purchasing shares of the company, you can significantly increase your funds due to the constant growth of their prices. More details about the share price and investment conditions can be found on the Investor Relations page. For those who make money online, Fiverr offers an attractive affiliate program. It doesn't matter if you're a webmaster, blog, or social media page, you can join the Fiverr affiliate program. For driving traffic to Fiverr, you will receive affiliate rewards of up to $150 per conversion. Registration on the affiliate program is absolutely free, and you can track all your referrals in your personal account. Payment for attracting traffic is made directly to your PayPal account or bank account.